So I've seen my videos coming to 30 minutes long, and hopefully I've shown you some of the insights and you're getting the gist of sort of the things you can do. There's obviously there's lots of things it can do, but I don't want to get this video going too long. What I'll do is, if you've got questions on how to do things, you can fire them in the comments. You can ask me how to do other specific things and I'll show you and I'll dive in. And your creativity is this Powtoon is only limited by your creativity, but it gives you a really good starting block with all these templates, right? Of all these different types of videos you can create. Look, it's just, you might just look through the templates. This is what I used to do when I was trying to sell something. Easy ways to fly, right? Let's preview this. Can I turn this? There's easier ways to fight, right? Can I add that can I edit that preview to something that works with my business? And then I can just pump out a video really easily. What's this one? That confident walk. It depends what it's selling after you meet with your money guy. Logo, website, everything you want to do, right? Quickly I can jump in, I can create it, I can put my logo in, and I can edit that, and it really is down to how I want this to work, right? So go back to create up here. I might go logo, and I might swap it for my images. I don't know if I've still got any. My images. Oh yeah, there's still a few. So I might put my Happy Me logo in. Oh, here we go. Look. I don't know if this is a right one. Yeah. Go on then. Oh, no. I don't want to put it there. I want to swap with my images. There you go. So I can put my logo in, my company logo in. Obviously quickly put in my website. Play it. Really easy. And then you just export it, and within 5 or 10 minutes you've got a full video to fire out on YouTube and Facebook and whatever you want to put it. You can obviously put it on YouTube and embed it on your website. Things like that. So there's so many options, so many features, so many things with characters and stuff I haven't shown what you can do. All these characters with different things. Let's add an angry person. So many things, so many options. Well worth giving it a try. So go to pnuk/pnuk.co/Powtoon. Is a link, my partner link. Any questions, jump on the comments and fire away. Thanks for watching.